Yes, thanks for participating in the session at the Royal University of Bhutan the other day. And for all of you that did not participate, thank you anyway for the interest that you are showing in joining our program. And if you are here with me today watching this video, it means that you are interested, and that's why we want you to go through a process that is as simple as possible. So what we're going to do now is that I'm going to run you through the process of creating a profile, if you haven't already done so, in our CodersTrust Learn and Earn platform, and then guide you through how to fill in your profile, how to take the tests, and what will happen next on the way to the beginning of the course. But let's get right to it. We basically have two ways to create a profile in CodersTrust, and the difference is basically where do you come from, as meaning if you start from our home page or if you start from the specific link. Now let's start with the easiest one, which would be from a specific sign up link. So open the browser and type in www.coderstrust.com/sign up. The platform will load directly into a page that is designed to guide you through the process of creating a profile. Now, because the internet in Bhutan is a bit slow, it's taking a little bit of time. So as it loads, I would just like to remind you that this green button at the corner, lower right corner of the page, leads you directly to a live chat with mentors. So if at any point along the application process you have any questions or you get stuck, you can just write here your email, include your phone number and your message, and one of our mentors and support will contact you back as soon as possible. But now let's get to it and let's create a profile. The first thing that you need to do is click I want to enroll. Now you see two options. One is create new account, the other one is use existing account. I believe that you will have to create a new account, so let's just get to it. You don't have to click anything else. You will put your email. In this case I will create a dummy email that could be Bhutan ST for student at ct.com, and then first name will be name, dummy name, of course. You select the password that you like the most, and then surname, because this is just a test, and your number. Here I'm putting a dummy number, but you will put your mobile number. This is very important because this is the number that we will use to contact you for anything relating to the status of your application, as well as your ranking, and if you will be admitted into the program or not. Once you've filled in all the informations here, then you can click next. Now the platform automatically scrolls down and moves you to the next step in the application process. In Bhutan, you are lucky enough, since you have only one center at the Royal Institute of Management, there are no confusion, and the only option that you have is to select Royal Institute of Management by clicking on it. Platform will scroll down and will show you the available courses. Again, for this program, there is only one course available, which is Basic Web Development Front End. So click on it and move on to the next step. As I discussed and explained during the session the other day, for you guys in Bhutan, the whole program will be free, thanks to the Ministry of Labor, and therefore there is only one option available, which is free model. So please select the free model, and you'll see that at the bottom there is a send application button, and which means that you're ready to send the application, and as soon as you're ready to go, please click send application. And as the application goes through, we receive it, your information is stored into the system, and then that means that you are in for the selection process. Now this was how to create a profile with going through the www.coderstrust.com/signup link. But for some other students that have gone directly to our homepage, the sign up might look a little bit different. So just to clarify, what happens if you go directly to the home page is that you can, if you type in www.coderstrust.com, you will be loaded into the Bangladesh homepage. That's because the internet provider doesn't recognize the Bhutan IPS. Technicalities apart, we're working on developing a Bhutan specific website, and it will be live before the end of the month. So when you get into the home page, you will see the familiar green button at the bottom right. If you have any question, again, the mentors here are always available. And the Claim Your Freedom slogan, because what we're trying to do with CodersTrust is basically to provide you with means to learn and then to work online. And by earning independently, then you become free. You don't have to find work in a company. You don't have to worry about your future anymore. So that's why it's Claim Your Freedom. But let's get to the sign up process. You see that at the top there is a sign up button. Now if you click this button, you will see an interface that is similar to the one that appears when you go to www.coderstrust.com/signup. And what you have to do is just fill in your details, so email at email, and then name, and then a random password or the password that you like, and then surname, and then your mobile phone, and then you can click sign up. Now what happens now is basically the same as if you would have gone through the other process and send in an application, and you're redirected directly into your profile. The two systems are basically the same. The result is the same. So you get profile, you get enrolled into the front-end web development course available at the Royal Institute of Management. And then you can move on to take the tests and fill in your profile, which is something that I will show you in the next video. For the time being, let's just be clear that there is no difference between the two sign-up processes. I received some email of people that got confused. It's exactly the same, and there is no difference. So if you've gone through the sign up, coderstrust.com/sign up, or if you have signed up directly from the home page, is exactly the same thing. The next thing that you need to do is to log in into your profile, and to do so you have to go to this link, www.coderstrust.com/students login. www.coderstrust.com/students/login, students with S, plural. You click, and you are shown with this page. This is the page where you can log in, and to log in, you basically have to put your email and password, the same that you have used to sign up into the platform, to create a profile into the platform, and you will be shown a profile. I will in the next video tell you how to fill in your profile, what information is required, and how to take the tests. And for now, that's all. Good luck. Bye, guys.